sometimes people just don't realize the importance of getting the perfect shot. That's something when the helicopters try to take off without IrixGuy, they have no idea where they're going. I've got to get to the top of this mountain. Got a lot of terrain to film. This is all for the IrixGuy's Adventure channel, youtube.com/IrixGuy. We're really taking our production quality up. I know it's kind of been low budget in the past, but I'm not going to let that low budget interfere with the future. IrixGuy's Adventure channel is going prime time. My goal is the top 100 YouTube channels, and I won't stop till I'm number one. Thanks for watching, and as always, subscribe. youtube.com/IrixGuy.